The ASUS Z170-A ATX DDR4 motherboard stands out as a robust choice for PC enthusiasts and gamers. Featuring the advanced Intel Z170 chipset and an LGA 1151 CPU socket, it supports the latest Intel processors, ensuring you get top-notch performance for demanding applications and games. With dual intelligent processors 5 and 5-way optimization, the motherboard provides automated system tuning and dynamic cooling, delivering optimal overclocking results while keeping your system stable and cool. One of the standout features of the ASUS Z170-A is the USB 3.1 boost technology, which significantly enhances transfer speeds for your USB devices. This makes data transfers faster and more efficient, allowing you to move large files in a fraction of the time. Additionally, the motherboard supports both M.2 and SATA Express, offering versatile and high-speed storage options. The M.2 support ensures lightning-fast data access speeds, perfect for those looking to maximize their system storage performance. ASUS has also integrated its 5X Protection 2 technology, which includes advanced hardware safeguards to protect your motherboard from power surges, short circuits, and other potential damage. This ensures that your investment is protected, providing peace of mind for long-term use. The DTS Studio sound feature enhances the audio experience, delivering rich, immersive sound quality that is perfect for gaming, watching movies, or listening to music. The motherboard's sleek design and user-friendly BIOS make it an attractive and accessible option for both novice and experienced builders. The intuitive BIOS interface allows for easy navigation and adjustment of settings, making system tuning and optimization straightforward. The inclusion of DDR4 memory support ensures that your system can handle the latest high-speed RAM modules, boosting overall system performance. Overall, the ASUS Z170-A ATX DDR4 motherboard is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to build a high-performance PC. Its combination of advanced features, robust protection mechanisms, and user-friendly design make it one of the best motherboards available in its class. Whether you're a gamer, content creator, or just looking to build a powerful PC, the ASUS Z170-A offers everything you need to take your system to the next level. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.